This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to configure Excel calculation setting to have formulas recalculated automatically and manually. Calculation options control when and how Excel recalculates formulas. When you first open or edit a workbook, Excel automatically recalculates those formulas whose dependent values such as cells, values, or names referenced in a formula that have changed. However, you are free to alter this behavior and even stop calculation in Excel. For example, I change China GDP growth into 5 and you can see the total value is changed too. When I choose manual calculation options, it turns off automatic calculation in Excel. For example, I change China GDP growth into 6.9 again and there is no change in total value. To recalculate only the active worksheet as well as any charts and chart sheets linked to it, click the Calculate button. I click it and you can see that total value is changed. There is share of GDP growth for China in sheet 2. If I change China GDP growth, it will be changed automatically. As you can see, if I change calculation option into manual and I turn GDP growth into 4, the total value will not change in any worksheet. To manually recalculate all open worksheets and update all open chart sheets, click the Calculate Now button. I click it and you can see that the calculation in the second sheet will be changed. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.